Hi Summit, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to draft a basic body measurement with bust darts and normal darts. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So here I'm marking out my normal point, my shoulder line, chest line, bust line, under bust, waist and the full length, and I'm marking them out here. So after that I have to label them to know which one is for one. And after labeling it, for my neckline I make use of 3, and that 3 I come down by 1 inches, and my back is 7. To know my shoulder slope I come down by 1 inches and I join it to the neckline here, just as you see me doing. So from that shoulder slope I will go I make use of my bust divided by, and my bust is 36 divided by 6 plus 1.5. So my armhole depth will be giving me 7.5. That's what I make use for my armhole depth, and I mark it down to join the shoulder slope on a straight line, to join my back on a straight line. So and for my shoulder armhole curve, I make use of my bust divided by 4. And what I have there, I will join them together. That's 9. So that's what I join together, and I come in by 1/2 inches on that armhole side, and I join it together. And for my butt line, nipple to nipple is 3.5. That's what I'm marking out there, and I will join them together with ruler to make a straight line. So after joining the nipple to nipple measurement together, that's 3.5. The next thing is to come to the waist side, and I will go in by come out by half inch on each side, because we are drafting a basic body. And under my bust points I will join the slant together to the half inch I've already marked out. I will join it together, and the under the hip line also I will join my line together. You can see the way I join it together here. So just simple as ABC. After joining it together here, the next thing is to take my normal measurement. My bust is 9, that's 36, and my waist is 28. So I will be adding that half inches, making 1 inches to my normal measurement for that waistline. And my hip line likewise, I will take my hip line and I join everything together. There's no stress on it. Join everything together. And to know my bust that under at that my bust point, I will come down by 1 inches and join the line on a slanting line to my bust point. You can see the way I just do it, just straightforward. You don't have to stress yourself. Just join that. You come down by 1 inches and join the 1 inches in a slanting format to that your bust points. That's it. You can see everything how simple it looks, how simple. The next thing is just you can shape it. You can reshape your neckline to any neckline you want, and you can see very simple. Next thing is to draft it, cut it out. Just have it in mind that that's your bust that you will cut it out totally, and your normal that you cut it out totally before placing it on your iron mat fabric. And on your fabric you'll be adding your sewing allowance, because see I didn't add any sewing allowance. Thank you for watching to this stage. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in our next video.